This is the great work calling, not outside but within. A remembering of truth beneath the noise and the skin. You were never just the body, never limited or small. When you wake to the other side, you awaken to it all. There's nothing you must become, nothing you need to find. What you're seeking has always been quietly here inside. Not a path that leads you outward, not a distant place to go, but a soft and sacred turning to the truth.